Here's another rare vacuum cleaner in my collection. It's a universal upright from the 1940s, possibly the 1950s. I basically consider it a Hoover Model 28 with a disposable bag because that's basically how it looks and how it performs. It's in pretty good shape. I think it's missing the bumper. I also had to put a cord on it because the cord had been cut. I got it from a vacuum cleaner collector. The headlight still works and the motor sounds nice, so I'll run it quick. I have a Hoover C bag currently installed in it. It's a really nice machine. Very powerful too. So that's the universal upright.